Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the Microsoft printed PDF option is missing in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And then dito sa search for apps, ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung control panel. And then next, ay kailangan mo lang click to open. And then next step, makikita mo dito yung category. And then kailangan mo lang i-click tong arrow na yan. And then select mo lang dito yung large icon para makita mo lahat yung settings. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa computer settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung programs and features. Ito siya. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa left side, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung turn Windows features on or off. Okay, so i-click mo lang yan. And then pop up itong Windows features turn on or off. So ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Microsoft Print to PDF. So dito ay kailangan mo lang i-check tong box. So enable lang natin, check ng box. And then click mo lang dito yung OK. And then wait natin ma-complete yung searching for required files and then applying changes. Alright, so makikita mo dito na Windows completed the requested changes. So ang next step, so close lang natin dito. And then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po ka-simply on how to fix Microsoft Print to PDF missing in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.